Here I want to provide an honest review of the Amazon Basic Kitchen Scale. The reason I bought this is that I am a baker and I've been really into doing stuff with sourdough lately, and a few things that I say is a key for a kitchen scale is multiple different units. This is a super simple basic scale for pretty much anything, but for pretty much any recipe you want to be able to have ounces and grams, and this has that, and it's a very easy tare solution. So you simply turn it on. I have it set to grams, as you can see. Here's where you're going to be able to press the unit button and it will change it. So now I have ounces, so just pounds and ounces, and then it will also do milliliters, which is nice. And you have fluid ounces and then grams. So you have all four basic measurements that you can use this scale for, and it is super simple. It weighs extremely nicely. It does seem a little bit finicky. It's very easy to change, but as you can see, I have a glass on here. I'm going to tare it so it's at 0, and then I'm going to add my actual sourdough starter that I'm going to feed, and you can see how quickly it will actually take the measurement, but it will also change it. So you kind of have to go more on the slower end because it will add a little bit at the end, and I'm usually finding myself having to take some stuff out. But super simple. This is gonna be everything that you need for any type of recipe, baking, food prep. Highly recommend having one in the kitchen. It's very slim and turns off on itself, and it is a great thing to have for a kitchen.